quick because it's raining and I'm getting soaked. There's some brand new Trane central air conditioners. What kind are they? I don't know. Model number 4TTB3018G1000AA. Serial number 13461PJB3F. The one turned on over here. See? Another Trane. These are all Tranes. There's standard Trane units. I guess they probably all have. Interesting how the disconnect boxes are. I'm like, ooh, what the heck? I guess it went into a little ambient kit. Interesting how the disconnect boxes are like that, and they all have filter dryers. Let's see if there's any more back here. There's not. Oh, there's something back here, but there's a window. There's all the line sets, and there's a gutter overflowing. Yeah. Where's this? I don't know what kind of. Oh, there's just some more Tranes, and then here's a Ductless unit. Interesting. I've never seen one like this before. I don't know what kind it is. Cryo cooler, and then here's some more Tranes, and then here's another Trane, which. It's on a low ambient kit, and it's just turned back on, and then this is another Trane. Anyway, that's it.